A lot has changed, and in such a very short period of time, I feel like my brain has not processed anything at all the way it needs to be processed. So, if you watched my previous video where I was preparing for my clinical rotations, which were going to be out of town, so we went there for like a month, and everything was perfectly fine. I was just having a hard time adapting to the new city because it was very cold and things like that. And as the month was, I became very, how should I put it? I was yearning for my home. I was yearning to be back to where I was used to. And so the day I arrived up, actually, I returned back, and to my surprise, I found my health had developed. So most of my things, not most, but some of my things were taken away from the house, including the kitchen cabinet, my kitchen storage rack, and my fan. So I was very devastated. Actually, I was very tired from the whole trip, which took like 16 hours. And arriving to my place and finding it like that actually made me feel even way better. So I tried to ask my neighbors and see how everything turned out the way it turned out. And I didn't get the answers I needed. I mean, we have a security man around our house, and we pay him monthly, and things get stolen from my house without him knowing a thing. And it just made me feel like this place was not safe anymore. So I decided to find a new place and move out as soon as possible because I wasn't feeling safe. And so I actually found a new place. I am currently in it. It was a little bit out of my budget, but it was nice. It has a very big space where I can feel free with my creative everyday work. And so, yeah, I paid for it. I had to move. I wanted to document the whole process of me moving, but since it was something that was very, had to be done in it, and I was under a lot of pressure because I had not planned for it at all. It just happened. I could not do anything. Even when I arrived at this new place, I wanted to like shoot a video where I was like cleaning up so you guys can be updated with what's going on in my life. But I was tired and I was just emotionally exhausted. I did not have the energy to like do anything like filming or anything like that. But now it's like 4 days since I moved in. I have tried like setting everything. I've tried to force my mind into adapting that I'm now in a new place. A lot has happened, and yeah, so I'm in my new place. I am a little bit worried because the place is not within my budget limits, and that feeling has been coming within my mind. I don't know why, but recently I've just been feeling very worried about my future. Like, will I be able to pay for this? Will I be able to afford this thing and things like that? So I know my mind is just trying to protect itself from the unknown, but I'm just trying to give myself hope that this is going to work out. So I know that the life that I want to live isn't going to just come overnight. I will have to work for it, and the results may be seen 5 to 10 years from now. And I just want to train myself into becoming more patient with what I'm becoming. And yeah, so in my previous video, I was talking about how I want to upgrade my wardrobe, and with everything that has been going on, I don't think I'll be able to upgrade it immediately because now I think like I have some more essential things I have to purchase, the ones that have been stolen, and it'll just take me a little while to start upgrading my wardrobe. But I'm just going to take it slow, one step at a time. So as you know, I have been selling digital products for a while now, even though I've been struggling with how to market it and everything. But Yiga has been making digital products and experimenting with any niches just to see which one is working for me. And right now, my plan is to like be more consistent with my YouTube channel and like being able to um focus more on my digital products. I'll find a way to advertise it. I'll find a way to market my products so that they reach more relevant people and so that I can make more sales. So if you would like to support your girl on her digital products and everything, then I would appreciate it very much. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video today. If you want me to like do a room tour of how my room is currently, I would love to do it. Though most of the space is still empty, I will have to figure out the things I will need to buy as time goes. So that was all for today. Until the next one. Bye.